Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys what the car sounds like right now. Sound check. One more time before I change it to the ISR single exhaust. That's what it sounds like. Rep. So that's what it sounds like. I also want you to know, guys, that I have two cars, so I'm modding both of them. So it's not easy to just jump from one to another, you know, especially when car parts are expensive. If you can relate to this channel, man, subscribe. You're already here, right? You like you're a Nissan junkie, right? All right, so this is a 2010 370Z base model. It has 92,000 miles on it, and I'm modding it little by little. This is gonna be the third mod. I'm gonna go ahead and put an ISR exhaust today. The beauty of owning your own shop is that you can come here anytime you want, open up, and you know, basically do whatever you want. So, all right, then let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the ISR single exhaust. I'm pretty sure a lot of you already looked at it online. I probably already know what it sounds like. So that's what I'm going to be installing today to celebrate the 2,000 subscribers. Alright? So what I would do first is, see this bolts right here? I will spray all of them with W40 or whatever you have, bead blaster. The bolts out here are kind of rusted, so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So you give it about a minute to penetrate a little bit. I also got this other penetrating oil. It's called Kimball Midwest penetrating oil. So I'll spray it again. Alright, and this is coming out today. Same thing right here on the muffler. I forgot what these ones are called. I'm gonna give it about a minute to let it dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking it apart. So quick shout outs to all the subscribers that have been subbing up the channel, supporting the channel. Thank you very much. Appreciate you guys helping me get to 2,000 subscribers. All the DIY videos I do for you guys, I do it from the heart. I try to teach you a little bit of what I know. We're learning together. I'm not perfect by any means, so don't sit here and judge me, especially if you don't know me. All right? I have take out motors, transmissions. did a lot of electrical work. I'm not an expert, but I know, you know, my way around it. And if you have any negative comments, keep them to yourself. And if you really want to tell me what's going on, go ahead, leave it in the comments down below. But as you guys know, my channel is about cars, about fixing my own cars, about modding them, also buying and selling cars. I haven't been doing that a lot because of the coronavirus, the pandemic. A lot of places are closed right now. You can't really be buying cars at auctions right now, so that's where I was mainly focused on getting my cars at the auction. But like I said, thank you to every one of you that have been subbing up to the channel. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. It helps me a lot. It keeps me going just to know that you guys are supporting my channel. We've been doing this for 2 years now, you know, and I'm just happy with what I got. You know, always be thankful for what you got. But yeah, this is my Nissan 370C, 6-speed, manual transmission, 300 horsepower. This body's gonna give another 10 horsepower. I'm modding it little by little, you know. I can't tell you what's next, but whenever I get my hands on it, you know, I'm gonna film it and shoot it for you guys. This is the third mod. The first mod, you guys know, it was the shift knob, the Mishimoto shift knob. Second mod was my wheels. I put some Inkies, 19 by 9.5 all the way around. I have 25 millimeter spaces on the back to make it stick out a little bit more. So, and also, if you guys want to know, my tire size on the back is 275 35 19, 275 35 19, and on the front I got 245 40 19 on the front. These are some Inky wheels. You can still get them on the market. They're really light racing wheels. I would highly recommend these wheels. But all right, so now let's keep moving with the installation on the exhaust. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on time lapse, okay? All right then.
In a major way, give you things you never had. Champagne, bubble bath, presidential suite. He can tell me, can you handle that?
All right, so to take out this part right here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 14 millimeter bolts. You guys can see it. And then they got the rubber hangers for the exhaust. And this one right here, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same ones I go over there. I'm sorry. Same ones I go over there. It's the one piece, remember? And right here, you have 3 on each side that are 12 millimeter bolts. 3 on each side, okay? That's how I took them out already. 3 on each side. You might want to have like a helper or somebody, like a guy helping you, because this is kind of heavy. You don't want to do this by yourself. You can hurt yourself, especially if you're doing it on the ground, okay? So now, onto the ISR single exit exhaust. Once again, thank you, sister, for giving me this for Christmas. I love you. You know I always do. You know I always fix up all your cars when I can. And I got this in Christmas, and I'm barely putting it on. Open it. This is the resonator. Now I was gonna buy it has a dent here from the people that shipped it, but it's gonna be on the ground, so it's okay. I'm not very picky. I don't know how much she bought it for. I think it was like 550. I don't remember. But I was gonna go with Tomei, but the reason why I didn't go with Tomei is because I am planning to lower the car, and I don't want this to be scraping in the future. Then I'm gonna, it's gonna hurt. Because the Tomei is like $1,000. If you're in a budget like me, you don't want to ask your family members to buy you expensive stuff, especially when you're going to be driving it. Here, let me go get a razor blade because this thing is really tight. Oops, sorry. Put too much tape on the tip. And they know that the tip is the most important thing that shows. All right, here we go. Finally, it's out. Look at that, beautiful. It's just like the. Tell me, where's the hardware? We gotta look for the hardware. It's already scratched too, you see it? Oh, there it is. Here's the hardware. I thought they didn't put it on. But here it is. All the bolts and everything. Alright, so the gasket's gonna go in there first. Remember, this is my first time installing this. So, okay, so there. Alright. So I'm guessing it goes like this because it's gonna go that way. It goes the other way. No, that's why I think this one goes this way, right? There's no instructions on the box, so you have to figure out how it goes. But it looks like it goes this way or no? It looks like it goes Alright, so I figure one. The first one. Put the gasket in the middle. Don't tie them all the way, so that way you can have mobility if you need to move it. You recording? Recording like no time lapse? No time lapse. Okay. Alright, so I'm putting the bolts now. This is kind of tricky because I was thinking that this was gonna swing this way, but now it's swinging from here like this. All right. I'm giving you full details on how to hook up your ISR exhaust single exit. I've been seeing a lot of videos. A lot of people just talk and they install this stuff and they don't even show you. So I hope today I earn your subscription by showing you details on how I'm doing it. Now I need. Now, the rubber hanger. Which one? This one should be easy. This is gonna be a challenge job. Come on, go in there. Boom, there it is. There's one. I think that. Then I got another one over here. Where's the one that? One more. Alright, time out, baby, time out, because the battery's done. Alright, this is the last bolt that I'm gonna put on for the exhaust. Take your time. It is going to take time doing this. This is a 12mm bolt. And I'm basically done, guys. It don't fit. I don't have no space. So it's a 12. I'm gonna use a 12 wrench or ratchet because the other one doesn't fit. So there you go, guys. We have finished with the installation on the exhaust. once I finish bolting everything together, I will go ahead and give you a sound check, okay? Alright. Alright, so when I was at the shop, I forgot to do a sound check. So I'm gonna do a sound check for you guys because I know you guys want to hear the ISR single exhaust rev. So I'm gonna do it for you guys. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, help support the channel. And mass shout out to the tunerSQUAD. You have made it to the end of the vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead and rev it for you guys, okay? Once again, ISR single exhaust. I give it 9 out of 10. It's almost perfect. I like the way it sounds. So I'm gonna put you guys behind it, okay? All right. Alright then, there you have it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one, alright? I'm out. Peace.